What is up YouTube? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, today is the day I am getting my Adventure 390 KTM 2025. Super excited. Yes, I have my backpack from Engina Lifestyle. Yes, Auto Engina launched lot of lifestyle goodies, and that's why I was opening all these boxes. Watch my Instagram for further details. You'll see all these products there, but I will have a proper video coming up soon. Reason I'm opening this Pandora box, so many goodies, you know, all handmade and a lot of thank you notes and stuff. So I wanted this keychain to be used for my adventure, and that's why I opened this box. There is a discount running also. You can use my coupon code. I think it's RWR10. Besides that, good news is that Super Meteor 650 now gets a full system exhaust. You can see the brand. Yes, these are DB killers. The best part about this full system is that you can actually swap original pipes and use the original mufflers, or you can use vice versa. I'll explain this properly in the next video, but today it's all about my adventure motorcycle. Let's go to Sakinaka showroom, Mumbai, and get my motorcycle. Okay, so I'm taking this helmet, and I also had to take my helmet lock, which I'll add on the 390 Adventure. So हमारा पार्टनर इन क्राइम आ चुका है. How do you feel, bro?
Excited already.
This is the guy जिसके साथ हमने मुंबई कन्याकुमारी की.
So
let's see अभी क्या क्या प्लान है.
क्या प्लान बन रहे हैं?
इसने अभी तक बाइक ली नहीं है. इसने हिमालयन बेच दी.
विशाल.
Okay, so finally I've received the keychain and some papers, and great job by this man here and this man here, the whole team. Finally my bike is here. और मैं आप लोगों को कुछ और भी दिखा देता हूँ, बिकॉज यहाँ पे X भी है, 390X एंड 250X. सो दिस इज़ रियली एक्साइटिंग. सिद्ध थोड़ा मॉडल बनो यार, खड़े हो बैठ के इस पर. सिद्ध को मैं इंसिस्ट कर रहा हूँ ये लेने के लिए, बिकॉज इसका ऑफ रोड थोड़ा बेसिक रहेगा एंड ही लाइक्स इट. एंड बाय द वे कितना डिफरेंस था दोनों के प्राइस में, 250 और इसमें 50,000 ना. सो 50,000 का डिफरेंस था, तो आई वॉज सेलिंग सिड 250 से अच्छा go for the 390X. Why not? Because mostly it has everything what this beast has. And by the way, now you can see, yes, this is our beast finally. And Andrea, are you excited? Andrea is excited, Sid is excited, and Sid and me have a lot of plans which you all will know soon. This is the orange color, but I have gone for the white because अभी आपको इस पे बहुत सारे surprises मिलेंगे. So let's not waste time, and थोड़ा X की झलक भी दिखाई देता हूँ. I love the graphics on the X compared to the one I have. I prefer these because ये पूरा इन लोगों ने पैनल ब्लैक किया हुआ है. That's nice, and alloy somehow suits KTM a lot more than Spoke, because Spoke is very conventional looking, however more purposeful. So मेरे लिए वो सही है. And Sid, are you considering? Sid is confused now, because he was planning to wait for the BMW, but then he doesn't want to spend so much money, just like me. And bro, this gets you everything to tour यार. और क्या चाहिए तेरे को? तेरा पूरा work is simplified. And Sid, do you agree that आजकल lighter bikes traveling, touring, the way road conditions are, isn't
Ridden heavy bikes, they will kind of realize कि भाई light bikes are far more agile and far more easier to handle. So you know, गया वो ज़माना heavy bikes.
अब आप लोग समझे मैं हेवी बाइक्स क्यों नहीं लेता हूँ. वैसे आप सोच रहे होंगे मेरी सुपर मीटियोर इससे भी ज़्यादा भारी है, अबव 225 kilos, बट दैट हैज़ अ डिफरेंट चार्म. सो वो भी है अपने पास, बट एडवेंचर हैज़ टू बी लाइट एज पर माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड माई राइडिंग स्किल्स. एंड येस, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू डू. ये एक्स भी बहुत सही है सीरियसली, एंड डज कम विद एपेक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सिर्फ 19 inch व्हील्स, अपना 21 पड़ता है, विच इज़ वेरी गुड टू रोल ओवर, स्पेशली फॉर ऑफ रोडिंग. बाकी बैश प्लेट्स, इंजन इज सेम, परफॉर्मेंस, एवरीथिंग. व्हेन आई सैट ऑन इट, इट्स लिटिल लोअर, आई फेल्ट दैट, बट ठीक है. एडवेंचर में हाइटेड बाइक, एज आई मैंशन अर्लियर, इट्स गुड. विंडशील्ड वगैरह सब फीचर्स सारे नहीं मिलते हैं. दिस इज विदाउट नकल गार्ड्स, बट इट डज कम विद नकल गार्ड्स. या चेक इट आउट, नॉट बैड. So fuel capacity, I think it's same 14.5 liters. Everything looks great. This actually looks very appealing. So मैं इसको ये convince कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, because he is like इसका off-roading इतना नहीं होगा, so this is very good for touring for him. Okay, I don't know if some people have noticed it or not, but I just noticed this is so cool. This is where this is topography, basically the lines of a geographical mountain range, and then they have written Gangtok here, Leh here. I don't know if there are more names. So they have like kind of given you a hint, or maybe yeah. So there are more names here. I can see it, right? So this is crazy. Apollo's done something nice, and check this. There's a compass symbol also. That these tires are for pure adventure. So hats off. And yes, these rims are actually tubeless. I mean, the tires are tubeless, and there is no tube because they have done a certain way of spokes. They are not cross laid, they are center laid. However, I would advise anytime you do extreme, you should tighten your spokes. So always carry this tool if you are living your life around an adventure motorcycle. Look at the swing arm, super duper excited, and can't believe that it's mine. I am not that convinced with the graphics on this bike, being very honest. I don't like this half orange, half white. But I'm sure I know why they did it, because the rally is full white. The X is half black, half white. So they want to differentiate in the look, because they all stand tall and give the adventure feeling. And that's the reason this is there. But obviously, Ride with Raj will change all of that for sure. Okay, so आप जानते हैं अभी behind this is my motorcycle, so I'm gonna get it soon. By the way, number plate has come. I have not gone for a special number plate because this is fine, but automatically it is special. I'll let you all know. Registration कल हुआ था. I could have taken the bike yesterday. In fact, this was the first lot. It's just that I didn't want the registration process to be held on. I'm at Ahuja, Sakinaka, KTM, which was the same place where I took my previous KTM 390 Adventure, and same place I'm taking this beast 2025. So I'm super excited. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have received our Furiosa. Yes, this is the KTM 390 Adventure. I can't believe it's mine. तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है, excited, and ये भी है साथ में for protection. That's my key to freedom. And there you go. ये अब हर वक्त दिखेगा, ready to race. Everything looks good. Let's see the kilometer range. फ्यूल अभी 100 किलोमीटर्स का है, तो भराना पड़ेगा. सबसे पहले फ्यूल अप करेंगे डेफिनेटली. एंड ये सब अभी बाद में प्रॉपर दिखेंगे. आज तो डिलीवरी ब्लॉग है, बट फिर भी टू एक्साइटेड. अभी इस पर बहुत कुछ काम होने वाला है. सो आई एम लाइक सुपर डुपर एक्साइटेड. सो वन थिंग वेरी गुड अबाउट दिस डीलरशिप विच आई लर्नड, a lot of people in excitement have purchased this motorcycle, maybe without registration they are riding. I don't know the whole theory behind this. PDI is a very important step which the dealers here at Sakinaka, Mumbai explained KTM that PDI is very important because they have personally checked the buzz, they've made sure the rubber rivets are perfect. So I'm going to test that soon and see, because we're going to go through each check and maybe come out with a vlog for it, but it's very important. And if you don't want complaints, make sure you take a bike with PDI check and make sure it is registered, insured, and you have all the taxation and everything done.
So hi, my name is Durgesh, and I handle this Ahuja automobile, and I am very glad that sir is here with me and is taking one of the most beautiful machine of the entire automobile communication industry. So just a humble request, you just test it, just give the feedback to your subscriber, even my subscribers also. So we are waiting for eagerly to get all your good subscribers.
A lot of videos coming now. Or we have the man himself, Mr. Mohit, जो बहुत ही powerful motorcycle पे आए हैं. And we yes, and we go long back, right? We go long back.
Think KTM, think Ahuja Automobiles. Yes. Because this will now reduce your chain slack पे जो
करेक्ट. So chain slack and basically tensioner control हो जाएगा पूरा.
Many people also haven't noticed the rear overhang is not there. This is now supported by the front.
Okay.
So when you are riding solo or going for a long solo trip,
Right.
2 nuts and this entire thing is off.
एडवेंचर मोटरसाइकिल. अब कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि दिस इज़ नॉट अ एडवेंचर मोटरसाइकिल, जो पहले के KTM वर्जन में बोला जाता था दैट इट इज़ जस्ट अ टूरिंग बाइक. यस दैट्स व्हाई आई बॉट इट. अब मैं बहुत स्किल्स अपने बढ़ाने वाला हूँ इस पर. This is where, you know, lot of after market, yes, lots is coming up.
Space here.
Yeah.
To mount something because this vent is up.
Up, right,
There's
right.
at least
Very well
1
planned.
inch of clearance so
Yeah.
that you can mount any other accessory.
Even the fiber which you were showing me,
Yeah.
the previous one was quite different than this one. So that is pretty good.
The frame is stronger, and if you'll see, this entire structural element that they've given has more bracketing and bracing than before. But one important thing to remember is all these panels now are not painted. They are embedded. So no matter how much you scratch them, they are as similar to our dirt bikes than anything else, because our dirt bikes carry this particular material that is used extensively even in our 16.5 lakhs bike 350 EXC. It uses the same quality of panels, which are through and through. No matter how much you scratch them, no need of any PPF. The dirtier it gets, the better it looks.
Adventure is that, man.
Adventure.
So finally PDI हो रहा है और ये है अपना कुछ नंबर 2738 means 32378. That is so cool. Ahuja Automobiles. Too excited यार. Seriously. Acha, you can plan the shortcuts right there, even for your headlight, everything. Oh wow, this is amazing, man. Actually इस पे मैं proper R&D करूँगा. And so guys, अभी मैं सब समझ लेता हूँ सौरभ भाई से, because पूरा वीडियो बनाएंगे बहुत long हो जाएगा. So I'll get back and connect with you guys. Okay, so we have Saurabh in the house. Thank you for giving me the bike, bro. Finally, super excited. And now Saurabh's going to open and give me. Okay, दूसरा चाबी?
Yeah, second key.
चलो, let's go.
So basically here is the
की फोब की का लॉक. हाँ, दिस इज हाउ द सीट पॉप्स अप. देखो आज आप लोग को सब इन्फॉर्मेशन भी मिल रहा है. दिस इज रियली कूल. दिस मैंने इसकी स्टोरी डाली थी बहुत पहले.
so you have removed the seat. Then we have keys over here. Okay.
या सो सेकंड की इज हियर. करेक्ट. एंड दैट्स द टूल बॉक्स ना.
That's the toolbox.
एंड दैट्स द बैटरी
That is
साइड.
the battery side.
एंड दैट्स द एयर फिल्टर. सब इजी है यार, मज़ा आएगा. Damn good. And that's the medical kit
Medical case also.
which is here.
You have to install it and you have to push it. That's it.
अच्छा, okay. तो ऐसा कुछ है. फोबिया मस्त दिया है यार इन लोगों ने इस बार. नाइस, प्रीटी गुड. हाँ, ये बहुत सही दिया है. एंड ये तो मैंने इसमें किचन भी लगा दिया. Sorted. Of the suspension. One is the dampener, one is the rebound. So basically, आप देखोगे तो काफ़ी अंदर है. So you have to be very sensitive, and in fact it's good because no one will tease around. You know, if you left the bike somewhere, someone will twist it and spoil it. Your settings basically. So that is very good that it's quite inside. So you'll carefully plan your settings. Also, the rear shock adjustability is fantastic. You have a direct single unit, and it clearly says left is soft, right is hard. As much as you click, goes softer. We're getting a lot of vlogs around it. So well, this was it guys. I hope you like this video. This is a delivery vlog, so इसमें जितना हो सका I captured it. But stay tuned because now I'm taking this beast home finally. And as usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj.